Implementation of Anduril's $100 million defense technologies in South Korea and Taiwan by Q4 2025. Introduction. In a significant move to bolster defense capabilities in the Indo-Pacific region, Anduril Industries, an American defense technology firm, has announced a $100 million initiative to implement advanced defense technologies in Taiwan and South Korea. This initiative is expected to be completed by the fourth quarter of 2025 and is structured around three key phases, focusing heavily on the integration of advanced artificial intelligence (AI) to enhance surveillance and military capabilities in response to increasing regional tensions, particularly regarding China. Key developments and timeline. 1. Initial partnerships and technology deliveries. In August 2025, Anduril made headlines by delivering the first batch of its Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan a mere 6 months after signing the contract. This rapid deployment underscores the effective collaboration between Anduril, Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense, and U.S. government entities. The Altius systems are designed for surveillance and precision strikes, showcasing a modular design that can adapt to various operational roles. To further cement its commitment, Anduril established a permanent office in Taiwan aimed at supporting engineering, supply chain management, and program execution. This office also facilitates collaboration with Taiwan's National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology, a major defense research organization. 2. Enhanced collaboration with NCIST. Anduril's partnership with NCIST has been formalized through a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) that aims to develop AI-enabled command and control systems and unmanned technology. The initial results of this collaboration have already yielded successful demonstrations, which are set to be showcased in upcoming military exercises. This strategic partnership is particularly significant as it aims to enhance Taiwan's asymmetric defense strategy against potential threats from China, which continues to view Taiwan as a breakaway province. 3. Expansion into South Korea. Building on the momentum achieved in Taiwan, Anduril announced the opening of a new office in Seoul, South Korea, establishing a stronger presence in the region. John Kim, a seasoned defense industry expert, has been appointed as the country head to lead these efforts. The expansion includes a collaborative contract with Korean Air focusing on the co-development of unmanned aerial systems (UAS) and exploring local manufacturing capacities. This partnership is expected to significantly enhance Korea's defense capabilities, aligning with the country's military strategy to integrate advanced technologies like AI and cost-effective autonomous systems. Focus on AI and autonomous systems. Both Taiwan and South Korea are prioritizing the integration of AI and autonomous systems to modernize their military capabilities. The Altius loitering munition, a key product from Anduril, exemplifies the advanced surveillance and precision strike capabilities essential for contemporary defense requirements. The emphasis on AI integration is a common theme across both countries, with Anduril's Lattice AI platform playing a crucial role in enhancing operational efficiencies and decision-making processes in military contexts. Common key points. Commitment to regional security. Anduril's initiatives in Taiwan and South Korea signal a robust commitment to enhancing regional security through advanced technology and local partnerships aimed at countering potential aggressions from neighboring states, particularly China. Focus on asymmetric defense. The partnerships underscore the importance of developing asymmetrical defense capabilities, a strategic necessity for Taiwan given the looming threat of a potential Chinese invasion. AI integration. The central role of AI in defense technologies is emphasized, with Anduril's Lattice AI platform being pivotal for enhancing command and control systems and overall military effectiveness. Differences between sources. While all sources report on the rapid delivery of advanced technologies and the establishment of local offices, they differ in focus. Source 1 emphasizes immediate operational capabilities and recent technology deliveries to Taiwan, highlighting the collaborative nature of these initiatives. Source 2 dives deeper into the strategic implications of these partnerships for regional stability and national defense, discussing the broader context of rising threats. Source 3 focuses on the logistical and leadership aspects of Anduril's expansion in South Korea, detailing specific appointments and partnerships, contrasting with the strategic overviews provided in other sources. Conclusion. By the end of Q4 2025, Anduril's implementation of defense technologies in Taiwan and South Korea is set to significantly enhance their surveillance and defense capabilities through advanced AI integration and local partnerships. This initiative not only marks a pivotal step in strengthening regional security in the face of growing geopolitical tensions, but also reflects a broader strategy to empower allies in the Indo-Pacific region with cutting-edge military technologies. The focus on collaboration and innovation demonstrates a forward-thinking approach to modern defense challenges, ensuring that both Taiwan and South Korea are better equipped to respond to evolving threats. Anduril Industries' recent initiatives in Taiwan and South Korea to implement a $100 million defense technology program by Q4 2025 reveals several counterintuitive aspects worth noting. 1. Rapid delivery of military capabilities. Typically, foreign military sales FMS programs are known for their lengthy timelines, often taking years to transition from contract signing to operational capability. However, Anduril's delivery of Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan occurred just 6 months post-contract signing. This rapid turnaround challenges conventional expectations regarding military procurement processes, demonstrating that with effective collaboration among stakeholders such as Anduril Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense and U.S. government entities, military capabilities can be delivered much more swiftly than traditionally anticipated. 2. Local investment versus foreign control. While many defense companies operate primarily from their home countries, often controlling their technologies and supply chains closely, Anduril's strategy includes establishing a permanent office in Taiwan and collaborating closely with local institutions like the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology (NCSIST). This approach exemplifies a commitment to local investment, contrary to the common notion that foreign defense firms predominantly seek to maintain control over their technologies and operations abroad. 3. Asymmetric defense strategy. The focus on asymmetric defense capabilities, particularly in the context of Taiwan's strategy against potential Chinese aggression, highlights a critical shift in military thinking. Rather than solely relying on traditional large-scale military assets, Taiwan is investing in loitering munitions and unmanned systems that can effectively counter larger threats. This emphasis on smaller, more agile and cost-effective systems contrasts with the historical reliance on conventional military strength and suggests a paradigm shift in how nations approach defense in asymmetrical contexts. 4. AI integration in defense. The strong emphasis on integrating advanced AI into military capabilities, particularly through Anduril's Lattice AI platform, may appear paradoxical given the public discourse surrounding military applications of AI, which often emphasizes the risks and ethical concerns involved. However, the partnerships established in Taiwan and South Korea indicate a growing acceptance and proactive pursuit of AI technologies within military frameworks, aimed at enhancing decision-making and operational effectiveness rather than merely augmenting traditional military capabilities. 5. Collaboration with local industry. The partnership between Anduril and Korean Air for co-developing unmanned aerial systems (UAS) signifies a departure from the trend of foreign companies supplanting local defense industries. Instead, this collaboration suggests a synergistic approach where foreign expertise complements local capabilities, challenging the narrative that foreign defense investments undermine local industry development. 6. Geopolitical implications. The timing and nature of these partnerships illustrate how defense technology initiatives can swiftly adapt to geopolitical dynamics. The emphasis on rapid technological integration in Taiwan and South Korea amid rising tensions with China suggests a proactive stance that contradicts the often reactive nature of international defense strategies. This approach indicates a shift from merely responding to threats to actively shaping the regional security environment through technological superiority. Overall, Anduril's initiatives in Taiwan and South Korea illustrate that defense technology partnerships can challenge conventional wisdom about military procurement timelines, foreign investment dynamics, and the integration of advanced technologies in shaping contemporary security strategies. The report on Anduril Industries' implementation of a $100 million defense technology initiative in South Korea and Taiwan by Q4 2025 contains several key aspects that may be overlooked by many readers. Here are the significant elements and their implications. 1. Rapid delivery of technology. Significance: the swift delivery of the Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan within just 6 months of contract signing is noteworthy. This expedited timeline contrasts sharply with typical foreign military sales processes, which often span years. The ability to deliver advanced systems quickly is critical in a region where geopolitical tensions are escalating, particularly with China's assertive stance towards Taiwan. Implication: this rapid delivery capability showcases Anduril's commitment and operational efficiency, potentially setting a precedent for future defense contracts. It reflects the urgency of Taiwan's defense needs and the effectiveness of collaboration between Anduril and U.S. government stakeholders. This efficiency might encourage other nations to pursue similar partnerships, reinforcing Anduril's position in the defense market. 2. AI integration for asymmetric defense. Significance: the emphasis on AI-enabled command and control and unmanned systems represents a strategic pivot towards modern warfare paradigms. The collaboration with Taiwan's insist to integrate Anduril's Lattice AI platform is a crucial step toward enhancing Taiwan's asymmetric defense capabilities, allowing for more effective responses to potential threats from China. Implication: by focusing on asymmetrical warfare strategies, both Taiwan and South Korea aim to level the playing field against conventional military powers. This shift could influence military doctrines globally. As nations reassess their defense strategies in light of advanced technologies like AI, the potential success of such integrations could lead to widespread adoption of similar technologies in other regions facing asymmetric threats. 3. Local partnerships and commitment to regional security. Significance: Anduril's establishment of a permanent office in Taiwan and its collaboration with local entities like NCSIST reflects a deep commitment to the local defense ecosystem. This local investment not only enhances Anduril's operational capabilities but also fosters trust and cooperation with Taiwanese defense authorities. Implication: the long-term local presence may facilitate knowledge transfer and increase local manufacturing capabilities, ultimately enhancing Taiwan's self-reliance in defense. This could serve as a model for other nations seeking to bolster their defense industries through partnerships with foreign technology firms. 4. Focus on autonomous systems. Significance: both Taiwan and South Korea are prioritizing the development of autonomous systems, which are seen as vital for future military effectiveness. The agreement with Korean Air to co-develop unmanned aerial systems (UAS) signifies a strategic move towards advanced network defense capabilities. Implication: the integration of autonomous systems into military operations could revolutionize how conflicts are fought, potentially reducing the risks to human life and enhancing operational efficiency. This trend might accelerate technological advancements and create new markets for defense technologies as nations seek to upgrade their military capabilities to remain competitive. 5. Geopolitical context. Significance: the backdrop of rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific, especially regarding China's stance on Taiwan, adds urgency to these developments. The partnerships forged by Anduril could alter the strategic balance in the region, as enhanced military capabilities may deter aggressive actions. Implication: the strengthening of Taiwan and South Korea's defense capabilities through advanced technologies may prompt a response from China, potentially escalating tensions further. This dynamic could lead to an arms race in the region as neighboring countries reassess their own military capabilities in light of these developments. 6. Cultural and technological renaissance in Taiwan. Significance: Palmer Luckey's call for Taiwan's engineers to direct their skills towards national defense highlights a cultural shift towards prioritizing defense innovation. This shift could inspire a new generation of talent to enter fields related to national security and defense technology. Implication: a focus on nurturing local talent in defense technology may yield long-term benefits for Taiwan's economy and security. Fostering innovation and creating a sustainable defense industry. This renaissance could position Taiwan as a leader in defense technology in the Indo-Pacific region. 7. Potential for manufacturing and production in South Korea. Significance: the exploration of local manufacturing capabilities in South Korea through partnerships with companies like Korean Air indicates a strategic approach to bolstering domestic defense production. This could lead to significant economic benefits and job creation in the defense sector. Implication: establishing a manufacturing base in South Korea may enable quicker responses to defense needs and reduce reliance on imports. This could strengthen the South Korean military's independence and resilience, aligning with broader national security goals. In conclusion, the report encapsulates a multifaceted approach to enhancing defense capabilities in Taiwan and South Korea through advanced technologies and robust partnerships. The rapid delivery of systems, the integration of AI, and the focus on local partnerships represent significant shifts in defense strategy that could have far-reaching implications for regional security dynamics and global military practices. Overlooking these elements could lead to a misunderstanding of the strategic importance of Anduril's initiatives in the context of geopolitical tensions and the evolving nature of warfare. 1. Rapid deployment of defense technologies. Anduril's swift delivery of the Altius loitering munitions to Taiwan exemplifies its ability to respond quickly to urgent defense needs. The first delivery occurring just 6 months post-contract signing indicates a significant shift in how defense technology procurement can operate, especially in contrast to traditional foreign military sales processes that often take years. This efficiency not only strengthens Taiwan's immediate defense posture against perceived threats, particularly from China, but also sets a precedent for how defense partnerships can evolve to meet the needs of allies in real time. The collaboration between Anduril, Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense, and U.S. government stakeholders highlights the importance of synergy between industry and government in securing national defense capabilities effectively. 2. Strategic partnerships and local investment. The establishment of Anduril's permanent office in Taiwan and its collaboration with the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology represent a commitment to long-term investment in the local defense ecosystem. This partnership aims to enhance Taiwan's asymmetric defense capabilities through AI-enabled command and control systems. The focus on local partnerships not only fosters technological transfer and capacity building within Taiwan but also signifies a strategic approach to defense that emphasizes self-reliance and innovation. Such collaborations are crucial for enhancing regional security and advancing military capabilities tailored to specific threats. 3. Expansion into South Korea and technological advancements. Anduril's expansion into South Korea marks a significant development in the Indo-Pacific defense landscape. The appointment of a new country head with a robust background in defense and the establishment of a collaborative contract with Korean Air to co-develop unmanned aerial systems UAS exemplify a strategic alignment with South Korea's defense priorities. The focus on AI and autonomous systems illustrates a shared recognition between Anduril and South Korean defense entities that modern warfare requires a shift towards more advanced, networked and precise military capabilities. This partnership aims not only to enhance operational effectiveness but also to establish a manufacturing base in South Korea, contributing to local economic growth and technological independence. 4. Integration of AI and autonomous systems. The emphasis on advanced AI integration across Anduril's offerings, especially through the Lattice AI platform, is a critical point of discussion. Both Taiwan and South Korea's defense strategies prioritize the integration of AI and autonomous systems to enhance surveillance decision-making and operational effectiveness. The successful demonstrations of these technologies in upcoming military exercises underscore the potential for AI to radically transform military operations. This integration does not merely serve operational purposes but also reflects broader trends in modern warfare where speed, precision, and adaptability are paramount. As regional tensions escalate, the capability to leverage AI for defense purposes positions both nations at the forefront of technological warfare, ultimately shaping the future of military engagements in the Indo-Pacific region. 1. The development of the Atlas missile defense system 1960s to 1980s. The Atlas missile system was a significant technological advancement in the U.S. defense strategy during the Cold War. Initiated in the late 1950s and developed throughout the 1960s, the Atlas missile was one of the first intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs) created by the U.S. to counter the nuclear threat posed by the Soviet Union. The project involved three key phases: initial design and testing, deployment of operational systems, and continuous upgrades to enhance its capabilities against evolving threats. The integration of sophisticated guidance systems and launch mechanisms represented a pivotal shift in military technology, similar to how Anduril is integrating advanced AI into defense strategies in Taiwan and South Korea for enhanced surveillance and operational effectiveness. 2. The Strategic Defense Initiative (SDI) 1983. Proposed by President Ronald Reagan. The Strategic Defense Initiative was an ambitious plan aimed at developing a comprehensive missile defense system to protect the U.S. from nuclear missile attacks, which involved advanced technology including ground-based and space-based systems. The initiative is often associated with the development of laser technology and other innovative defense strategies. The SDI was structured around three main phases: research and development of various defense technologies, deployment of initial defensive systems, and continuous upgrades and expansions of capabilities based on emerging threats and technological advancements. The emphasis on collaboration between government and private industry in developing these advanced systems mirrors Anduril's approach in establishing partnerships in Taiwan and South Korea. 3. Project Maven 2017-present. Initiated by the U.S. Department of Defense, Project Maven aims to integrate artificial intelligence into the military's operations, particularly in the field of drone surveillance and data analysis. The project has progressed through several key phases: initial pilot programs to evaluate AI capabilities, deployment of AI systems for operational use, and ongoing enhancements based on real-world performance. Project Maven highlights the increasing reliance on AI and advanced technologies in military operations, paralleling Anduril's focus on AI integration for enhanced surveillance capabilities in its partnerships with Taiwan and South Korea. The project underscores the critical role of advanced technology in modern defense strategies, reflecting broader trends in military innovation today. Future outlook: implementation of Anduril's $100 million defense technologies in South Korea and Taiwan by Q4 2025. As Anduril Industries embarks on its ambitious $100 million defense technology initiative in Taiwan and South Korea, the implications for regional security, technological advancement, and military strategy are profound. By Q4 2025, it is anticipated that the integration of advanced AI and unmanned systems will redefine the defense landscape in these nations. Here are key predictions for the future based on current trends and developments. 1. Enhanced surveillance and tactical capabilities. Predictions. Real-time intelligence. The integration of Anduril's Lattice AI platform with local defense systems will enable real-time data analytics and situational awareness. This will lead to quicker decision-making processes during military operations. Asymmetric warfare. Both Taiwan and South Korea are expected to develop more effective asymmetric strategies against potential aggressors, particularly China. The deployment of Altius loitering munitions and other unmanned systems will provide these nations with unique capabilities to counter larger conventional forces. Implications. The ability to conduct precision strikes with loitering munitions will allow Taiwan to deter Chinese aggression more effectively. South Korea will similarly enhance its defensive posture against North Korean threats, leveraging AI to predict and respond to potential incursions. 2. Strengthen defense collaborations and local manufacturing. Predictions. Increased local partnerships. The establishment of Anduril offices in Taiwan and South Korea signifies a commitment to local investment. Expect to see more collaborations with local defense industries, leading to a robust supply chain and manufacturing base. Growth in defense employment. The expansion of Anduril's workforce in both countries is projected, along with an increase in skilled defense jobs, particularly in AI, robotics, and systems engineering. Implications. This local investment will not only bolster the military capabilities of Taiwan and South Korea but also stimulate economic growth and technological innovation within these nations. As local industries become integrated into the defense supply chain, the region will see advancements in related sectors, such as technology and manufacturing. 3. Regional security dynamics. Predictions. Deterrence against aggression. The successful implementation of advanced defense technologies will likely deter aggressive actions from regional adversaries. The perceived military readiness of Taiwan and South Korea will contribute to a more stable security environment in the Indo-Pacific. Geopolitical balancing. As Anduril's technologies enhance the defense capabilities of its partners, there will be a shift in regional power dynamics. The United States and its allies may find themselves in a stronger position to counterbalance China's influence in the region. Implications. A heightened sense of security among allied nations will encourage more collaborative defense initiatives. This could lead to joint military exercises, shared intelligence, and technology transfers, creating a more cohesive defense posture among U.S. allies in the Indo-Pacific. 4. Advancements in autonomous and AI-driven military systems. Predictions. Rapid technological evolution. The focus on AI and unmanned systems will accelerate the development of next-generation military technologies. Expect breakthroughs in areas such as drone swarming, autonomous command and control systems, and advanced machine learning applications in military strategy. Integration of civilian and military technologies. As defense technologies mature, there will be a convergence of military and civilian applications of AI, leading to innovations that can benefit both sectors. Implications. The ongoing collaboration between Anduril and local research institutions like Taiwan's NCIST will foster an environment of innovation that can be leveraged beyond military applications. This techno-industrial renaissance could position Taiwan and South Korea as leaders in AI and robotics, with potential exports of this technology to global markets. 5. Long-term strategic partnerships. Predictions. Enduring alliances. The partnerships established by Anduril are expected to deepen over time, leading to long-term strategic alliances that will shape defense policy and military cooperation in the region. Increased defense budgets. As both Taiwan and South Korea enhance their military capabilities, defense budgets are likely to increase, reflecting a commitment to maintaining a strong defense posture in the face of evolving threats. Implications. The strategic partnerships forged through the implementation of Anduril's technologies will likely influence defense policies not just in Taiwan and South Korea but also among other U.S. allies in the Indo-Pacific. This could lead to a more unified approach to regional security challenges, enhancing collective defense efforts. Conclusion. The implementation of Anduril's $100 million defense technologies in South Korea and Taiwan by Q4 2025 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of military capabilities in the Indo-Pacific. By enhancing surveillance, fostering local partnerships, and integrating advanced AI technologies, both nations are set to redefine their defense strategies in response to regional threats. As these developments unfold, the broader implications for regional security, economic growth, and international relations will be significant, shaping the future of defense in a rapidly changing geopolitical landscape.